Welcome to Norton Chemistry. If you're a Year 12 student gearing up for Year 13, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into a topic that could give you an advantage over your fellow students: how to get ahead in Year 13 Chemistry over the summer. Before we jump into the practical steps, let's talk about why summer preparation is worth your while. Year 13 Chemistry is known for its complexity, and by using your summer break wisely, you're essentially giving yourself a head start. A strong foundation before you even step into Year 13 can help you better grasp the advanced concepts you'll meet, as well as boosting your confidence. To make the most of your summer, you need to know what you want to achieve in Year 13. Consider the levels you are currently working at and where you want to get to. Decide whether you want to review a central Year 12 topic, get a glimpse of upcoming Year 13 content, or focus on improving specific skills, such as exam technique. Having well-defined goals will provide direction and motivation throughout the summer. With your goals in mind, it's time to gather your resources. Start by revisiting your Year 12 notes and textbooks. These materials are still your primary guides. If that's not enough, check out my website to purchase resources, including my notes and flashcards, of which there are 899. These resources could be the backbone for your successful revision journey. Click the link in the description for more. The secret to a successful summer preparation lies in effective time management. Design a study schedule that strikes a balance between revision and relaxation. Allocate dedicated study blocks to work through your prioritized topics, but also factor in time for exercising and socializing. Remember, a flexible routine is more likely to be sustainable and enjoyable. Passive reading won't cut it when it comes to mastering challenging chemistry concepts. Engage in active learning techniques to enhance your understanding and retention. Try explaining complex ideas in your own words, creating mind maps or concept diagrams, and even teaching what you've learned to a friend or family member. These techniques encourage deeper engagement with the material. Practice is the key to success. Regularly work through practice problems to apply theoretical knowledge and develop problem-solving skills. Seek out a variety of practice resources, textbook exercises, online question banks, and mock exams to expose yourself to different question formats and scenarios. This will be especially important when you face Paper 3, Unified Chemistry, in Year 13, which extends well beyond the specification. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. When you encounter challenging concepts, don't hesitate to seek help. Reach out to your teachers, classmates, or online forums. Engaging in discussions and sharing insights with peers can offer fresh perspectives and clarify misconceptions. Check out my useful topic revision videos to help improve understanding, as well as application of knowledge to real exam context. As the summer progresses, periodically reflect on your progress. Are you meeting your goals? Are there areas that require more attention? Adapt your study plan as necessary to ensure you're on track to achieve your objectives. Make sure to focus on areas which you struggle with in Year 13. If you can get ahead on Year 13 content, that's great, but ensuring your Year 12 foundations are strong is the real key to achieving success in Year 13. Remember, the effort you invest now will pay dividends in the upcoming academic year. You'll be better equipped to handle challenging topics and approach your studies with confidence. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more valuable study tips and A-level chemistry videos. Check out my video, How I Got an A-star in A-level chemistry, a step-by-step guide to help improve how you revise for A-level chemistry. Thanks for watching, and best luck with your summer preparation.